Hey guys, Tom here. It's the weekend, the shop is quiet. That's a pretty rare thing. So anyway, I thought I'd come up here and do a quick oil change on my wife's Tahoe. And I got a tech tip for you here that if you do your own oil changes, I think will be helpful for you. So those of you who follow me on Facebook know I do quite a bit of work on this green equipment here, John Deere. That's what we use at our facility. We put quite a few hours on them. And occasionally I'll get the odd farm tractor brought to me or something like that. But anyway, that means a lot of preventative maintenance. And I don't know, I grew up on these guys right here. That's just what my dad always used. And I refer to them as band style filter wrenches. Some of these Deeres will require larger setups given, like the hydraulic filters. They're much larger around than these can even touch. But what I've found here recently, that actually my facilities coordinator got for me a while back, is this little set right here. These guys, I was a little skeptical at first. They're adjustable like channel locks. But these teeth, it's really hard to see in the video, but these teeth really grip on. I mean, they grab a hold of the filter. Now, the filter's not going to look too pretty afterwards, but they actually do minimal damage, and they really grab. They don't slip, so if your filter's got a little bit of oil on it, it won't slip off. And again, you can just adjust it to size. So pretty sure you can pick them up at about any auto parts store. If you've been using these for years, then I'm just a newcomer to it, I guess, and have recently discovered it. But anyway, give them a shot sometime. If you got one, it's a little bit hard to deal with. I think you'll find these guys most helpful. So anyway, I hope that was helpful for you there. If you guys have any tips from me, please feel free to drop them in the comments. And we'll see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves and be safe.